Hey guys, so in my today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the real case study, my Instagram handle, how it is performing, and what kind of content I'm posting on my Instagram when it comes to Reels. I'm just gonna talk a little about that and the reach real time, how it works on Instagram. So let me just show you two case studies side by side. Okay, so this is my official Instagram handle. The one that you see here is called Shears and Brushes. This has almost 14,000 plus followers, and it's my professional Instagram handle. So first we'll start with this. Now, as you can see, my bio tells what kind of work I do, and if you scroll down, if you come to my content, the first three posts here, three of them being reels, are talking about the kind of work that I do. So I do bridal, theatrical, film, and fashion. Okay, so my first three reels are focusing on the work that I have mentioned in my bio. So there's a bride, there is basically this was for a fashion shoot. He's also a celebrity and she's a Bollywood celebrity. So now she was in Hyderabad for an event and I've done her makeup, so I've pinned her on the top. The second one is the winner of Big Boss, and the third one is my real bride. So now I'll try to also help you understand why I have posted reels and not posts on the top. Now there's a reason why I have pinned these reels on the top, because reels are interactive. The moment somebody comes onto my page, if suppose I have posted, say, this picture, this person would have probably, picture, that's it. But the moment I put a reel, so you see how quickly I moved between pictures. Probably I'll just go here, I'll zoom it in a little to just see, okay, fine, how is the work? But then otherwise there's not much that I'm going to do. But when it comes to my reel, each of these reels are for 30 seconds minimum, right? So 30 seconds is meaning 1.5 minutes has been spent on my profile. So if somebody's spending 1.5 minutes on my profile, they'll be more interested in spending more time on my profile, right? So first reason why you are going to retain your viewers or your audiences for longer if you're posting reels. That's why I emphasize on reels. Make sure that on the top you have the reels. Okay, now I'll show you how to pin your reels and all of that in the future lessons. But for now, let's just take a look at what I'm doing and how I'm doing things. Okay, so let's take a look at this reel. Now, why I say that reels are interactive, because you will get to see me working for real over here. Now, if somebody's coming and visiting my profile for the first time, this could be a prospect customer. They don't know anything about me. They've just read my bio, and over here they're actually seeing me work on my client. So when they come and when they reach out to me that, hey Pratika, so what are the services that you're offering? What are your prices and things like that? It'll be much easier for me to explain it to them because they already know what all to expect from me, right? They're not coming as a blank page. They know what to expect. And then it gets easier for me to have a conversation with people. It's easier for me to convey to them that, yeah, there's going to be first a massage therapy and then makeup session, then a hair session, It's easier for me to explain it to them because they already have seen it. Moving on to the second post. Though this is not very engaging, as you can see, I've just got 200 likes on this. In contrary to the previous post, which was almost 1,000 plus likes. Also, I think the views are lesser on this. I think there are just 7,000 views on this. However, I have posted it on the top. I've pinned it on the top. Reason being, I'm working on a guy. Now, a lot of men are very reluctant to get their makeup done, right? So the moment I put this post out there, and again, this is from before to the after, there's an entire process that I'm putting out there. So there's transparency. You get to see the kind of work that I'm doing. So there's no such thing as, oh, she must have added filters to this. You can actually see it for real, that what this person is looking like, right? So it just makes it adds so much more credibility to the work. And also, I don't have to pitch my service. I don't have to tell my bride, hey, you know what, you should also have your husband or your fiance on board for the services. They just look at it and they themselves will reach out to their husband and fiance, and they'll just directly come to me with, with a requirement for 2. So where I would have bagged only a female client, I'm also going to bag a male client, right? So this is the reason why I've pinned it on top. So try to understand what niche you belong to. Try to understand what you want, or what are the highlights that you want to put out there for the people to see. And then based on that, you decide or plan your content on the top that's going to go on the top. Now, the third is again my bride. So with my brides, I avoid showing any befores and afters because brides are not very comfortable with it. So I've pinned on the top because this was the most viewed reel. It has got about 100,000 views and 2,000 plus likes. Again, I have boosted this video too. We can talk about advertising your content in the future lessons. For now, this is the highly engaging post, and I think this post alone has brought me about three leads in a day. So 3 leads in a day is a good number, right? So this has got me 3 real leads every day. There are days when I've also got 7 to 8 with this particular, just this single reel. So that's why it's on the top, because I know people want to see more and more of this kind of content. Now moving on, I make it a habit that I post at least 1 reel a day. So this is what you will see. I've posted these 2 grids today. So there's 1 reel here, and then, you know, in every grid there is 1 reel, and 3 reels if I could post in a day, I would consider that to be a very, very well utilized day if I have the time to create and post 3 reels in a day. Make sure you take some time out and check out my Instagram handle and see the kind of reels that I'm creating. Just for the purpose of this case study, I have posted a week of just pictures, and as you can see, the engagement has been somewhere between 800 to 900. But whenever I post the reels, it goes up to 2,000. It has gone up to 2,000 so far. So 2,000 plus is like the highest views that I've got on my reels so far. But 1,000 to 2,000 is the range, right? And also the audiences that I reach whenever I'm posting reels is very, very, very much higher than the audiences that I would reach with the posts. Okay, so with each of these reels, I can tell you I have reached more than 10,000 people with every reel. So that is the numbers that I see for each of the reels, right? So this is something that you need to understand with reels. The audiences will increase. Just today, the number of audiences that I have reached was 75,000. Yesterday it was again, I think some 70,000. And the week before that, the last week, and the week before that, when I just posted pictures, I think it was somewhere in 40,000 or so. Okay, so that is the power of using reels. Make sure you are doing that. Now I'll show you another handle of mine, which is with the name Pritika Kapoor Artistry. I post the same post that I post here on Shears and Brushes on this handle as well. But you see here, I've got only 336 followers, and you see the performance of my reels. There is a reel that has reached almost 10,000, which is 9,572 views. And there are reels that have like 5,000 again. Yeah, so over here I think I didn't even have 100 followers when I posted this one. So this is the power of reels, you guys. I mean, it can really, really up your game. So when this reel went viral, so obviously for somebody with like 100 or 170 followers, this is a viral reel, right? So when this reached that number, I saw a sudden spike in the number of followers and the number of people viewing my Instagram handle. I haven't posted a lot on for a very long time on this, so that is why, you know, this is just performing under average. But yeah, I make it a practice, you know. I want to basically build this profile as well. I've just started it for my YouTube channel, for people to come and, you know, go to my official handle or my personal handle if they want to get in touch with me. So the whole purpose of creating this particular handle was that. But then yeah, just to show you how other people are also doing it, let me show you a simple from a food blogger. Let me show her profile. So as you can see, even she has pinned reels on the top, right? Reels are always to be pinned on the top. In the future lessons, I'm going to show you, of course, how to do this. But yes, you see the kind of engagements that you get on reels. I am pretty sure if you compare her reels to her posts, there'll be a drastic difference. You see, this one has got 562 likes, whereas this has got 4,000, 18,000, 22,000, 6,000, right? 1,000. You know, the difference between the engagement from your post to your reels is so drastic. Instagram is trying to push reels. Instagram is trying to boost the consumption of reels. Reason being that, you know, they want to replace TikTok. Now in India, it's already replaced TikTok because TikTok is banned here. But in a lot of places also, people are utilizing Instagram Reels the way they used to use TikTok. So Instagram is trying really hard to push the Reels content, and this is the right time for you to understand and learn how to plan your Reels and how to publish your Reels, how to utilize Instagram to monetize your content. So the purpose of this particular training program is to, you know, prepare you for this whole new tool, and so that you can make most of it before it's too late. Okay, with that I'll end this chapter and we can move on to the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.